Okay, let's look at the first piecewise that we had due last week. It was this one over here. F of x is 3x minus 5, and f of x squared. Now, the only difference with the piecewise is that you have certain parameters that you have to adhere to when you're graphing. But otherwise, it's like just like graphing 3x minus 5 and graphing x squared at the same time. So I put in already into my calculator 3x minus 5. And I'm going to go to the table. And I see on my table there. But it says for this one, it's only for values of x is greater than 2. So I want to go past 0 and 1. And there's my first point, 2, 1. Now, since it says x is greater than, not equal to 2, like down here, that means that at 2, 1, I'm going to go to 2, 1, and I'm going to put an open dot. Okay? And then it looks like I have points 3, 4, 4, 7. So let me just keep graphing. 3, 4, 4, 7. And that's about enough. I know that this is a linear graph. So that looks like this. And it goes on forever from there, one arrow. Okay, so there's the first one. So that little x is greater than 2 is just giving you a certain restriction. Okay, now let's go into here and let's go down and graph x squared. Okay, so I'm going to unhighlight this other one so I don't see it right now. Okay, there's x squared. Okay, we know it's a parabola, and there's my table for it. So, and this one, x squared for x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so go back to the table. So 4, of course, 4, 16. Okay, so that's my first one. So 4, 16 is pretty high up. Should have gotten up here 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 416 is going to be all the way up here. And it's going to be a solid dot since it has less than or equal to. So that means it can be 4. Okay, and then I would keep going. I would have 3, 9. So I'm going to get my points in. 3, 9. It looks like on my calculator I have 2, 4. I have 0, 0. Let me go back to my table here. So 0, 0. I have 1, 1. I think I'll do 1 negative. Negative 1, 1. And if I look, there is my parabola.